How to make a community website on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create your own website on squarespace.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. First of all, you need to create an account or log into your account on squarespace.com. As you can see, I already did it and I'm in my account. So next you just need to click this button, get started, and choose what type of website do you want to create. So we need community website, so just type community. And as I see, if you want to make an online community, you need to choose this one. If you want to make an offline community, I guess you need to choose people and society, in my opinion. So for example, you're making online community, choose this one, click next, and now you need to choose what do you want to do with your website. Basically very easy, you need to build a community, so just choose this one. Also you can collect donations, you can choose this one, sell memberships, maybe publish a blog or other media, maybe sell products, some stuff, maybe sell merch, um, so basically you can do whatever you want. And the last step, how would you like to start building your website? So guys, here you have two options. You can choose from a curated set of professionally designed website templates, or you can build a custom website guided by Squarespace Blueprint AI. Honestly guys, I'm not a big fan of AI and I really like to work with templates, so I'll pick this one. And now all you have to do is to choose the template that you think is the best for you. Also, here you can manage some stuff about templates. For example, if you don't want to have a blog section, blog page on your website, you can unselect this. Or maybe you want to have a portfolio on your website, so you'll need to select this one. Just for an example, I'm gonna pick this template, but if you don't like any of those templates, don't worry guys, you can easily fully rework the template and customize it and make it from template. You can make a website that you will like, obviously, and the exact website you want, you can easily do it. You can easily edit everything. I'll show you later. Now I'm gonna pick this one. You can change sample color presets here, but later I'm gonna show you how to work with colors more accurate. For now I'm gonna continue with this color, start with this design. And while everything loading, by the way, squarespace.com is the best option to create website because you don't need to know any of programming languages and you can just use a website to create your own website. That's why I highly recommend you to try squarespace.com. But now we need to create site name right here, so just for this video, just to skip this step, I'm gonna name it an example. Don't really need this website. And close this. So now you can manage some stuff about your website right here in this menu. For example, manage products and services, or invoicing, or content and memberships, donations, scheduling. Also you can check the traffic in this page, visits, amount of unique visitors. Very interesting page here, kinda essential. First of all, I think you need to check pages. You can manage some stuff about pages. You can add a new page, you can delete some pages, you can just have a settings here, page settings. You can work with styles, you can change themes You can use ready-made professional themes, or you can make it by yourself by choosing fonts or colors. As I told you, you can work with colors here more professionally, choose any color you want. And of course you need to save changes right here. And now we can edit this website. Just click this button, edit, and you can edit everything here. You can basically delete all of these templates and add a new one. If you want to rework this website, add a block, and you can add text, you can add image, you can add some stuff, for example button, add maybe shape, I don't know. So basically here you can write whatever you want. For example, welcome to our community. Do it bigger, scale it, move it, change the size. You can move this one. You can upload file from your computer, or you can browse stock images. Just for an example, I'm gonna use free images by Squarespace. You can upload your image from your computer. For example, community. And of course you can also edit this button. For example, you can change this text. You can write, for example, join us. Also you can delete the whole section, for example this one, and you can add a new section. Click this button, add section, and you can, for example, have an intro section like this, and you can move it up because this is intersection, it should be first one. Just click this button, move up, and now it is on top. You can also delete this picture, or you can undo, and you can not delete it, you can replace it. Click this button and now you can replace it. The same about this text, you can replace this text, just use your text. It's not necessary to delete it. And with this text you can just replace it with your text, write whatever you want. So also you can toggle to mobile view to work with mobile view of your website. And don't forget to save changes. And when you're done editing your website, you need to exit, need to save changes, exit, and if you want to publish your website, you need to upgrade your account. Click here and you need to select the plan, simple prices, only pay for what you really need. All plans come with award-winning 24/7 customer support. When you're done, you'll have a publish button instead of this subscribe button, also blue one. So I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this website. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Goodbye.